Okay. Matabangan na pud ta karon kung unsaon pagbuhat ning performance task sa basic calculus, no? Ang title ani is The Limits of My Floor Plan, no? So magbuhat tag floor plan applying the concept na discuss, that is the limits, no? So for our task of to be accomplished by the students, uh, they will be instructed to make a floor plan, no? So magbuhat sila floor plan na ma-apply ang concept ng limits pinaagi sa pag-solve sa areas, no? So they will use centimeter or decimeter na units sa pag-measure, no? So, pwede sila mo gamit ng recyclable or recycled materials kay para dili na gid sila mo gasto pa. So, pwede ra kung unsa nay available sa inyo palibot kay para gayud na mas makatipid. Okay, for the content standards, no, the learners demonstrate an understanding of the basic concepts of limit and continuity of a function. So diri, ma-apply man gud ninyo ang limit theorems sa pag-derive sa area sa square or any geometric shapes na imo gusto i-apply sa imo floor plan. Now, sa performance standards, the learners shall be able to formulate and solve accurately real-life problems involving continuity of functions, no? So, ma-involve na gihapon to kay mag-formulate man mo kung unsa iya derivation as to value ng representation, no? So, kung unsa tong function gamit to na formula using the limit, no? So, makita jud ni siya. This will be attained at the end of performing this performance task. Okay, solving areas of geometric shapes like circle using the concept of limits. So, kanang formula niya, naa na may tay existing na formula, pwede na to ma-compare kung kana na formula og using the approach or concept of limit theorems or the limit itself, kung the same ba silag answer. So, ma-confirm na nato base sa ato karong next discussion or on the next slides. Okay, see for example, kung gusto nako sa ako floor plan kibali na ako gusto na circular dining table, no? So, assuming na siya sa Cartesian coordinate plane, okay, mao na kibali ang ako circle or circular dining table. So, first na ako buhaton is maglabel sa ko sa points, no? Which is ang radius. So, dapat masolve sa nato ang distance ng 2 points, A or B, pwede mo gamit og lain na variable. So, ang ako, A, B ang ako gigamit, no? So, the point A has 3 and negative 3 coordinates and point B has 5 and negative 3 nga coordinates. Kani siya na coordinates, pag i-connect siya, the line segment represents the radius of the given circle. Kaya ako man ang nag-decide unsa siya kadako. I-prove lang nato base sa concept ng limit theorems and the distance formula pod. Though makita na nato sa graph, no, kung pila ang distance niya, it would be practical kung ato pod siya i-prove pinaagi sa distance formula, no? So, kini ang coordinate sa radius or sa line segment AB, then ato sa labelan, no, kung kinsa ang ato x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1 and y sub 2 para dili ta ma-confuse ngayon pag-substitute. So this is the formula for distance, ano? So simple lang, we will substitute x sub 2 by positive 5, x sub 1 by positive 3, y sub 2 by negative 3, y sub 1 by negative 3. Simplify further, 5 minus 3 is 2 to the power of 2. Negative 3 minus 3, that is 0 to the power of 2. Simplify pa gayud, what is 2 squared? That is 4. So, ang 0, wala naman daan, no? So, what is the square root of 4? So, that is 2. So, therefore, this is, the distance is 2 units. Diba? ang distance na ato gimin is the point AB or the line segment AB, buot pasabot kung mauto ang representation sa radius, so ang radius di ay 2 units, no? So, kana ang ato basihan. Okay, using the formula of area of a circle, so ato i-let ang R as x, no? Then ato i-derive ang function in terms of x. So, ang area ng circle is area equals pi r squared. Karon kay gilet man nato si r na equal to x, ato i-substitute ang x sa r. So, kana. So, we have area is equal to pi x squared. So, kung i-convert nato siya sa function, that will be a of x is equal to pi x squared. In notation niya, no? Sa form in function. Okay, we can now apply the limit theorems such that x approaches r which is 2 units. Di ba na-solve na nato ang length sa line segment which represents the radius, maotong 2 units. So maotong magamit nato as value sa x. So the limit of the function area of x or a of x as x approaches to r. So, continue the process. We have the limit of pi x squared as x approaches to 2. So, simplify. We have pi times 4. We have 4 pi. Diba ang value sa pi is 3.14, 16. So, ato na dayon si substitute, no? So, we have 12.57 square units. Kay area man ni siya, ha? So therefore, the area of the circular table is 12.57 square units. Okay, sa ato floor plan, kung naapod tay square table, so pwede pod gihapon ta mag-apply sa limit theorems sa pag-solve or derive sa area of the square. Okay. Another figure is the square, no? So, example, a square table in the study room. Pwede siya sa ato floor plan, no? So, ato sa siya labelan sa mga points para dili ta ma-confuse kung unsa ang ato gigamit na side or line segment, no? So, we use the line segment or side xy na ang points niya is 5, -1 and 5, -5. Kini siya nga mga points gi-represent niya ang side sa square. Okay, so since naa na tay coordinates sa ato line segment or side sa square, so pwede na ta makaproceed sa pag-solve sa distance formula, no? So, maglabel ta sa ato coordinates para dili ta ma-confuse ngayon pag-substitute. So, we substitute x sub 2 by 5, x sub 1 by 5, y sub 2 by -5, y sub 1 by -1. So, simplify further, 5 minus 5, 0, -5 minus -1, that is -4. So, simplify further, so we have square root of 0 plus 16. So, square root of 16, so we have the distance is 4 units. Since ang D is representation siya ng line segment XY, thus the measure of a side of the square is 4 units. Okay, using the formula for the area of a square, we let S be equal to X or the side of the square, no? So, ang area ng square is S squared. So, ato i-substitute ang X sa S. So, we have A is equal to S squared. So, ato i-convert sa function form, kibali, we can have A of X is equal to X squared, no? We can now apply the limit theorems such that x approaches s, which is 4 units. No? So the limit of a of s as x approaches to s is equal to the limit of x squared as x approaches to 4. So substitute and simplify further. So we have 16 square units. Therefore, the area of the square table is 16 square units di, no?